In this clip, we're going to talk about where your serpentine belt, or V-belt, is going to be located. Your belt is always going to be located on the front of the engine. For explanation purposes, I'm going to discuss with you how you view an engine in order to determine where the front is if the belts aren't ready visible. Any engine is always viewed from the power output side. The power output side being where the transmission is. And how you want to picture it in your head is if you were straddling the transmission. That part of the engine is going to be the rear. If you put your left hand out, that's going to be the left side of the engine. Your right hand is going to be the right side of the engine. And the direct opposite side is going to be the front of the engine. And as you can see, right up here in the front, we've found our belts. The engine, this one in particular, is a front-wheel drive car. And it's mounted in a transverse style. As you can see, the engine's in here sideways. As compared to a rear-wheel drive vehicle, the engine's going to be rotated 90 degrees and the transmission will be in back. If it's a rear-wheel drive vehicle, you will find your belts located up here in the front of the engine.